I don't see eco-design as another regulation that makes life harder for us, but as absolutely necessary for being competitive in the future. Climate change and supply chain crisis showed us that we have to make a smarter use of our available resources. We should look at that as an opportunity and use them to our advantage. With our approach of the twin transformation, we are combining digitalization and circular economy. Digitalization forms the basis for the required processes, data, and business models. The eco-design guideline is the basis for creating attractive, sustainable, and value-preserving products. This is nothing new for SEW-EURODRIVE because we at all the time focused on eco-design principles, but we didn't call it like that. Durable and efficient products, easy to repair, designed in a modular system available all around the world, combined with a first-class service which extends the lifetime of the products. This is what we are promising to our customers since more than 90 years. We are now following an even more systematic approach with the eco-design guideline in order to improve and firmly to anchor eco-design as a major principle for building and creating new products. The path which was taken on early has proved not only SEW, but also customers as well as the environment. Let's go on with it consequently and together.